In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create this 3D calligraphic text from different materials in Adobe Firefly. Stay tuned and I'll show you how.
Studio Shepherd.
So with Adobe Illustrator open, you can see that I've hand drawn my calligraphic text, and I've done that using the pencil tool. So once you've drawn your text, the next thing that we want to do is give it a 3D look. So to do this, I'm going to select the ellipse tool, and while holding shift, I'm going to draw one circle, and then if we open the gradient over here and make sure your fill is selected, we can click this gradient slider here to apply it to our shape. Now I'm going to change the angle to -90, and then with your circle selected, I'm just going to hold Alt, click and drag, and that's going to make a copy. Now selecting our two shapes, we can go up to Object, Blend, Make. Now to adjust this, we can double click the blend tool over here. It's going to bring up some options, and I'm just going to change the spacing to specified steps, and I'm going to set this to the max of 1000. So once you've created that, select your shape and your text and go up to Object, down to Blend again, and we're going to click Replace Spine. And that's going to apply this 3D look to our text. Now once you've done that, simply export it as a JPEG, and then we'll jump across to Adobe Firefly. So in Adobe Firefly, open the text to image generator, and then in the prompt description, type floating coiled rope, comma, light brown background. And then after that, we're going to click generate. And that's going to generate 4 variations for us to choose from. Now pick one that you like. This one here is working quite well, so you can download that to make a copy. But what we're going to do is click this pencil icon here and use this as our style reference. After that, we're going to adjust a couple settings on the left panel here. We're going to change the aspect ratio to 16:9, have content type set to photo, turning auto off. I'm going to select hyper realistic in effects and change the lighting to studio light. After that, we can go up to the structure reference, click this icon, and select the text that we created earlier. Click continue here. And now we're just going to bump up the strength slider to full and make sure your styles are around the midpoint here. Once you've done all that, click generate. And that's going to apply the material that we created to our text. Now you can repeat those same steps and play around with different prompts to create different materials for your text. Here's a few examples that I'll leave in the description below for you to play with. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe to stay up to date with the latest design tips. I'll see you in the next video.